Hello friends, here Dr. BC, and today in this video episode I am going to show you the unboxing and quick review of Ulcon LCD screen special removal tool. Model number is Y102. This is a Ulcon LCD screen special removal tool. The model number is Y102 and it is from the patent 2014-209275.1. I don't know about the patent, either it is from US patent or from the China patent. I doesn't know about that patent number. Now you can see that it is a layout like that, and it is compatible with iPhones that is 5, 4 and the 6 also, and also the Samsung mobile phone S3, S4, S5 and are universal compatible. And here you can see that in this side necessary repair tool for use with your iPhone. Large suction cup design will not cause any damage to the LCD screen, great for the LCD screen separation and removal. And on the back here it's the same thing, and on the back you can see the same stuff. Features: professional LCD screen special removal, clip tools for iPhone 5C and 5S, portable and mini design, convenient to carry, made of high quality material, no harm to your phone, clip style, easy and simple to operate, special mobile phone repair tool, also suitable for other smartphones. And here is the serial number, and you can see how to use that Ulcon LCD screen special removal tool. Now you can see that it is made in China, and now let's unbox that. You can see that it comes in a very bad packaging. Now let's keep that box aside and let's see the removal tool. This is a Ulcon. This is a Ulcon Y102, and here you can find the patent number also, and you can see that it is a very smart tool. Here is alignment. You can align with respect to your phone dimension, and here is the another one. Now let's try to do something. Now according to your phone size, you have to you can see that this Xiaomi Redmi Note Prime is not inserting in this tool. You can see that the dimension or the width of the phone is too much high. Now for that I have to align. Yeah, you can see that I can use that screw, and then yeah, now it is okay. Now I will also tight this one so that it will not move from its place, and now it is okay. Yeah, now it is ready. Now you can lift the LCD by this way. You can see that it is very easy. Now the LCD is stitched by very strong adhesive tape, that's why it is not so easy to lift the LCD directly. First of all, you have to heat the whole portion. Either you can use a furnace and put that whole phone in the furnace for about 3 to 5 minutes at a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, or you can use a hot air gun or a blower to heat the whole phone. Now once it is heated, then you have to put that phone inside this LCD removal tool and then try to lift the LCD by the help of this suction cups. Either sometime you need a isopropyl alcohol. Just use a earbud and dip that earbud inside this isopropyl alcohol and slightly put that isopropyl alcohol at the end of the phone. It doesn't damage your phone or the component or the LCD. Just put that small isopropyl alcohol at the end of this corner of this display when it is hot, and then it is very easy. With the first chance you will separate the LCD of the phone. That is the method by which you can separate the LCD. Sometime with the help of this tool you can easily separate the back glass of Samsung Galaxy S6, S6 Edge Plus and Note 5 with the help of this removal tool. It is very good. Make sure that you have a very good quality of this isopropyl alcohol, minimum 95% pure isopropyl alcohol is needed for that separation. Now you can see that it is very easy to separate the LCD screen with the help of this Ulcon Y102. The cost of this Ulcon Y102 is around 350 Indian rupees. You can get this product at your local retail market. Either you can go to the Karol Bagh or the Gafar market. You can find this product at various sellers. The cost is around 350 Indian rupees. You can also buy this unit from a Chinese seller, especially from the AliExpress. You can find or search this unit Y102 and you will get this product definitely at your home palace. Now this completed the unboxing and the quick review of Ulcon Y102. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. The subscription link is shown on your screen, and for more videos on upcoming gadgets, technology and many more, keep watching BCD Tech. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.